Okay, this is a 2006 Excel 28 TRW. Notice it does have the Onan generator already equipped inside the unit. It's a short little 4-season coach. Excel is one of the better built units out there in the market today. It's a 28 TRW. We've got 2-inch thick walls. As you come in, you'll see that you have the couch and the dinette. Your kitchen area is over here. This has the nice big fridge and freezer combo. Gives you adequate storage for your cold units. Stove and oven and microwave. Notice it has side mount heating. Entertainment center. And as you come up here, this is your bedroom area. This does have a bedroom slide, which gives you more storage. You can see that it's got a lot of wardrobe storage. Open that up for you here. Down underneath here is storage. This is your bedroom. Doors on, or so windows on each side of the bed. And then you have your separate sink from the bathroom. Your shower is quite large. It's like about a 4x4 shower. Good storage there, and also good leg space. Medicine cabinet up top. This is a 2006 Excel 28 TRW here at Metro RV Center, Billings, Montana. Phone number is 406-259-2238. If you're looking for a warm fifth wheel, this is a nice unit. Everything's been checked out. We do components check on the fridge, the stove, the oven, the microwave, the water heater, the water pump, air conditioning, all of those things. If you're going to be hauling a boat, it's already got the hitch on the back. There's the other side. You get more storage space there. So for a little fifth wheel with two slides, and it has a built-in generator. Come check it out at Metro RV.